The MsMk 8-inch and 10-inch non-stick frying pans are a great addition to any kitchen. This set includes two useful sizes. You get an 8-inch pan and a 10-inch pan. These pans make cooking easier and clean up a breeze. The non-stick interior helps food slide right off. So, eggs and delicate fish cook without sticking. These MsMk 8-inch and 10-inch pans boast a PFOA-free, non-toxic surface. This means you can cook your favorite meals safely. The coating is also scratch-resistant. You can use metal utensils with care. The pans are oven-safe to a certain temperature. This adds to their versatility in the kitchen. They are also induction-ready. Plus, they work on all other cooktops too. The ease of use is a big plus for the MsMk 8-inch and 10-inch set. Food releases easily, and washing them is simple. You can often clean them by hand with just soap and water. These pans are also built to last. They offer good value for the payment. While I haven't tried them on Woot, their features suggest good performance for everyday cooking. From simple stir-fries to omelets, this collection seems reliable. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick frying pans, 8-inch size, 10-inch size, burned, also non-stick, PFOA-free, non-toxic, scratch-resistant, oven-safe, induction-ready, all cooktops, frying pan set. Cons: unknown coating, durability, handle quality unknown, limited long-term reviews, may take longer to heat, some non-stick issues reported, rivets inside may not be non-stick, potential for fake reviews, price may be high, shared lid inconvenience, non-stick may degrade over time. Features: 8-inch, 10-inch, non-stick, frying pans, burned, also, non-stick set, PFOA-free, non-toxic, scratch-resistant, oven-safe. This MsMk frying pan set has 8-inch and 10-inch non-stick pans that can also handle burnt food without sticking. They are PFOA-free and non-toxic. Plus, they resist scratches. These pans are safe to use in the oven and work on all kinds of stovetops, including induction. The MsMk 8-inch and 10-inch non-stick frying pan set is advertised as PFOA-free, non-toxic, and scratch-resistant, suitable for all cooktops including induction, and oven-safe. However, some users have reported that the non-stick coating may not last very long and can cause food to stick, and the rivets inside the pans might not be non-stick either. There are also concerns about the unknown durability of the coating and handle, limited long-term reviews, potential for uneven heating, and the possibility of fake reviews, which might make the potentially high price less appealing. Additionally, if the set shares a lid, it could be inconvenient, and like all non-stick pans, the non-stick properties may degrade over time.